Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to create a username on WhatsApp. First open WhatsApp and go to setting. I created a new WhatsApp account for this video so you can see the new feature. Now tap on account and you will see the new username option. So tap on it and create your own username. If you have connected your WhatsApp, Instagram and Facebook through the account center, you can also choose a username from your social media accounts. So now type the username you want and you can create your own or choose one of suggested username after entering your name. Once your username is available, confirm it. You will see a message saying your username has been created successfully. After this feature rolls out to everyone, people will be able to contact you using your username instead of your phone number. You can also set a username key for extra privacy. With this enabled, people will need both your username and your key to message you on WhatsApp. This is a great way to protect your account from unwanted messages. That's it, your username is now set up. If you ever want to change or delete it, just tap edit and you will find those options there. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.